So magandang araw kabali, sa video nito pag-uusapan natin panibago pong update dun sa sitwasyon po ni Mikey Williams kabola na pumayag na pala po sa mas mababang sweldo. And then we'll talk about an amazing comeback sa NBA kabola and Meralco Bolt. So mga di pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So ito na nga kabola, napanood nyo ba yung amazing comeback po ng Indiana Pacers at nag-choke na naman po ang New York Knicks. It was an amazing dazzling comeback po by the Indiana Pacers kabola. 9 points down sila, less than a minute, but they still managed to win it by forcing overtime kabola. It was an amazing game, one of the best game in the last 10 years kabola, playoff game. It was an amazing game, an amazing comeback by the Indiana Pacers. Their grit kabola, led by Haliburton kabola. Of course, iyakan yung mga fans ng New York Knicks that of course is playing in a prime market in New York kabola. You know, kita mo dito yung parity, ano? Sa NBA ngayon, parity ang nangingibabaw. Pinapakita yan ng Indiana at saka New York. Kasi sa East po kabola, ang in-expect talaga nila makapasok dyan, Boston at Cleveland. Pero wala nang Boston, wala nang Cleveland. Ang meron tayo, Knicks at Pacers. At ang lamang pa sa series, at the end of Game 1, is Pacers kabola. Now, gusto ko lang mag-react sa column po na ito. Ken Meralco, do it again. 3-5 ulit po sila kabola. Itong record na to kabola, naging record din nila nung championship nila last Philippine Cup. So umaasa sila kabola that they are more than capable of repeating the same way kabola, di ba? From 3-5 to championship. Pero medyo iba na po ang panahon ngayon kabola. Parang sa paningin ko lang naman, mas madaming, mas magagaling, mas maayos po yung laruan ngayon na team compared nung last Philippine Cup kung saan sila nag-champion. And that will be a big issue for them unless kabola, they can even improve their current level of play, or they can do a trade kabola to get someone kabola that will give them a massive boost. Now, nakita ba yun yung nangyari kay Bo Belga kabola? Nagulat ka din ba nung siya po ay mahilo kabola? Now, dapat di mo na yan kagulat kasi this guy has vertigo kabola. And of course, yan po yung primary po na symptoms po ng vertigo kabola, yung pagkakahilo. So yung pagkahilo niya, kumbaga, that should not be a surprise kabola, pero let's hope of course na gumaling po ito pong si Bo Belga. Comments muna tayo ng mga fans. Leandro Alvarez, bakit gano'n ba katangkad yung Danny I at Danny S? Around 6'5 po sila pareho. Pasyaro sir, Ronald Berbusidad. Dan Tristan Ray, hindi mapupulo San Miguel yang si Mikey dahil walang trade fair na player ang SMB. Pamalit kay Mikey, hindi pa pahig TNT dyan na malulugi sila. They can of course also make a fair trade, diba kabola? Kapag ikaw naman kabola, yung San Miguel, yung TNT, they trade naman with each other, diba? Nag-trade na po sila with each other kabola, may history of trade na sila. And kapag each other o yung mga trade nila is legit team like Converge, like Reno Shine kabola, diba? They try to outmaneuver, outthink each other kabola, diba? Pero most of the time they of course end up having an fair exchange kabola. And speaking of Mikey Williams, meron na nga pong update na nilabas po dito sa spin.ph kabola. At si Mikey Williams daw kabola is more than willing now to take a pay cut from, according to this column, 26,000 po na hihingi niya, 18,000 na po, pumapayag na po siya maglaro. Now, the issue daw currently is that he is asking for a 1-year contract, pero TNT is only kumbaga TNT ang gusto po nila is longer than 1 year. Kasi nga naman, of course, yung history po ni Mikey Williams overall. Pero ito hindi ko maintindihan sa TNT, or siguro hindi po nila nabavalue ng maayos. Take note that they are only not competing to win the championship in this Philippine Cup, but they are also competing to complete the Grand Slam. And Grand Slam is historic. Grand Slam is very, very valuable kabola. So, dapat sana, di ba? Kung yan lang din naman pala yung issue na, di ba? Hindi nyo naman babayaran na yan kapag ayaw nyo ulit bumalik, di ba? So, just get it, di ba? Take it, di ba? You badly need Mikey Williams. Injured po ngayon si Reynan Batak kabola. Injured of course si Jason Castro. Kabola, dapat bang tanggapin po ito ng TNT? Comment na po. So, ba?